Start. Good afternoon, students. We are going to discuss the question number 16 of the simple interest. That is, the total sum is 10,000 and this 10,000 is divided in two parts. The rate of interest on the first part, that is R1, is 12% and time is 4 years. And the rate percent of the second amount on this, that is 16% and time for it, that is 4.5 years. We have to find the both part of this such that their simple interest is equal. So first of all, when we are going to solve, we will write SI is equals to SI1 is equals to SI2, and before it is necessary to write that let the first part be X, that of second part be 10,000 minus X. As you know that whenever sum is given, then if first part we are taking as X, then second will be sum minus X, means that is 10,000 minus X. This thing is clear to everyone. Now we know that SI1 is equals to P1 into R1 into T1 upon 100, that is P2 into R2 into T2 upon 100. Guys, you know that if both sides same denominators are there, so directly we can cut this denominator. 100 and 100 will be crossed out. Then after that, what is P1? The first part of the principal, that is X. So X into what is R1? R1 is 12. And what is T1? That is 4 years. Is equals to P2. What is P2? P2 is 10,000 minus X. And what is R2? That is 16. And what is T2? That is 4.5. Further we can write it as 12 4s are 48. It will be 48x, and this side it will be 10,000 minus x into 16 4s are 64 and 8 64 and 8
72
होगा into 72. We can write it as 48x is equals to 72 1 2 3 4 minus 72x. Next we can write that 48x plus 72x is equals to 7 2 4 times 0. That will be 120x is equals to 7 2, or x is equals to 7 2 upon 120. 0 0 will cancel out. 6,000. So x is equals to 6,000 we get here. So we can say that so separately write it. So the first part is equals to x is equals to 6,000 rupees 6,000, and second part is equals to 10,000 minus x, that will be 10,000 minus value of x, that is 6,000. It will be rupees 4,000. These are the two parts of that sum.